Welcome to See Legs and Paw Prints, a channel about the lives and adventures of Caroline and Tony and how they navigate them, along with their motley four-legged crew members, Aggie a decrepit 17-year-old Jack Russell Terrier, Freddie a one-eyed Border Terrier, and their ship's cats, Blue and Alfie, who thinks he rules the roost. Please like and subscribe to follow their journey.
So this is the start of the... We've got to walk right to the top of the hill, well nearly it's the top of the hill anyway. This is the start of the Christmas.
Puppies and mushrooms, what does that tell you?
Bloody hell, aye. No wonder deers are off their heads. So this is the start of the Marché Noël, isn't it? We've got a bit, yeah. They've got zebras here. They're not real. Now, every time you start filming, you see, a noisy bike goes past. Every time it is. Anyway, sorry about the rant. But, so a bit of African vegetation there from the savannah of the African plains. A few tigers.
You would think they'd have, seeing as it's the street that's leading down to it, I would have put those on that side so you got both.
Well, we're in front. So these are kind of life size, aren't they? They don't look real, but they're life size. And then this is the entrance to the village Noel. Christmas. No, well, we'll have a van show.
Yeah. Tone's over at the truck, La Cabane, getting us a van show. First one of the year. €3 a pop, so not bad. Eh? De van show.
Van show. It is
Oh, it smells gorgeous.
It does.
Wow.
few of these and move on out.
I wish you could smell this because it smells absolutely wonderful. Cheers, honey. Cheers.
It's hot.
Wow, that's lovely.
It smells absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
That is gorgeous.
He was a right miserable
Who was?
bloke.
It's a woman, sweetheart. I think you need your eyes tested and take your sunglasses off.
It was debatable. What a lovely day.
It is.
Sun shining. It's reasonably warm.
It is reasonably warm. It's not like yesterday. Yesterday was boiling.
Yeah,
But there's a bit of a breeze today. So that's the van show. Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Down. Right.
And it was show, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's a pop-up restaurant. Brochette de boeuf burger, black pudding with potatoes, $17.90.
Burger raclette.
Yeah, €25. So not cheap. You can go to the restaurant and get it for 17.
There's not many. They're not selling much like, are they?
No. You're daft if you're charging more than for a restaurant.
Oh god, yeah, they should have it cheap and then they'd sell those.
Yeah.
Half a chicken. Chicken ball.
Chicken balls.
I know. There's a big snowman.
Aye. No, he's a bit off-white. Hot dogs.
Wow.
Here. Panini hot dogs.
Jambon fromage. See, that's more like it, €6 to €7.
Yeah. I'm just going to have a classic hot dog.
Classic sausage.
Classic hot dog. Have you got your money to pay?
Yeah. €6.
Each, yeah.
So that's it's a nice ring there.
Yeah. It's looking a bit like it's melting. Hock a dog. This is the ice rink that looks like it's melting because it's too warm. We'll see. So we've had something to eat, haven't we? We've had hot dog
We've had a hot dog eat.
down
yeah.
at the Christmas
It was very
fair.
nice.
Yeah, it was very nice, but we couldn't film it because our hands were full.
It was a Cuban lad that was.
Yeah, he was a really nice lad. Actually, had a good chat to him, didn't we?
We did.
And we've stopped halfway
bit of
back to the boat
refreshment,
for a bit of refreshment. Tone's got a glass of red,
Yeah.
and I've got a glass of white.
And
So
I said to Caroline, don't you think they should have cleaned glasses? Got bloody lipstick on them. Joke.
cheers,
It's
honey.
there.
Cheers.
Cheers. Something.
We're just getting ready to go out. Tone thinks he's got his wallet and he's not. So this is Cap Dagd at night. See what's going on at the Christmas village. Come on, Freddo. We've got little Freddy with us. You won't be able to see him in the dark here. Blinded by the Light. There's a song there somewhere. Oh yeah, little Freddo here. It's all quiet down this end because the Christmas village is up at the other end where you can see all the lights and the wheel.
Silly pretty.
Everything's quiet here, and then all of a sudden,
Yeah.
this
All
little
the
bit,
lights are on.
the lights are on,
Yeah.
and somebody's home,
Yeah. Hopefully you can't be on it.
right by the marina.
Yeah. Well, it certainly looks very Christmassy, doesn't it?
It does look Christmassy. I don't know
Yeah.
how busy it is,
Yeah.
but it's early yet, isn't it? Sort of thing.
Yeah. We're going to have a van show.
We'll have a van show, and I want some churros as well.
Yeah. Where does the churros?
Over there, I think.
Yeah.
Well, let's walk round there because we didn't walk round that
No,
bit before, and then
no.
we can.
What's going on, Freddie? Very festive, isn't
Might get done for copyright.
it? I don't think
I'll have to put a bit of.
Yeah.
Do we get churros here? Why not? No. They're donuts. Oh, golf crates. They're shutting up shop. Yeah. It's just hurt his leg. Frites, foie gras, cheeseburger. Heineken's punched in a well. Punched in a well. And there's a little area to sit. Yeah.
Got a punch?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay.
You can smell it. There's punched in a well here, so we're going to give that a try. Huh?
Vin chaud. Non, punch, non.
Non.
Vin chaud.
Oui, vin chaud.
Allez, un.
What's up?
We're having a van show.
You what?
We're having a van show.
Yeah,
And they're in tartan cups.
tartan cups.
Yeah.
There you go. Do you want your dog?
Yeah. See you, Fredo.
I'll see your dad, Fred.
It's very hot. So, yeah.
Right. Don't know if we'll get churros tonight. It might be too late. We'll have to wait and see. Some places are shutting up.
Yeah. I'm going to put him on my knee.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your drink?
Yeah. Hey, little boy.
There's Fred with his dad. Put him on your knee properly, honey. His legs are sort of mid-air.
Sorry.
That's it. You can sit on your knee now.
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah, that's a very festive sort of store, isn't it? That lad that was doing all the tumbling's hurt his leg. He's over there, yeah. Right, Freddie's just having a little lick of Tony's finger that he's dipped in the wine.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share. It really helps our channel.